Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss Grand International 2025. This is Nel 2204, your pageant blogger host. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good day, pageant lovers. Witness the Miss Grand Philippines 2025 Grand Finals. Mark your calendars on August 12, 2025, 7 p.m. Dahil sa gabing ito, muling magniningning ang ganda at galing ng Pilipinas sa Mall of Asia Arena, Pasay City. This is not just an ordinary coronation night. Apat na prestiyosong korona ang nakataya. The Miss Grand International Philippines, Miss Asia Pacific International Philippines, Reina Hispano-Americana Filipinas, and the Face of Beauty International Philippines. Each crown represents beauty with a purpose, and each winner will proudly carry our bandila to the international stage, hoping to bring home back-to-back victories for the Philippines. Expect nothing but the best of the best. Dazzling evening gowns, jaw-dropping national costumes, and heart-stirring answers during the Q&A. This is the celebration of Filipino strength, elegance, and global charm. Can't attend in person? No problem, because catch the live stream on our official YouTube channel, so you won't miss a single moment of this spectacular night. Tickets are now available via smtickets.com with the tickets prices. Thank you so much for watching, and please always be updated by subscribing this channel, and let's see kung sino ang susunod na kokoronahan bilang Miss Grand Philippines 2025. Samahan niyo po ako hanggang sa Grand Coronation Night. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood.